Alright guys, back again. I've got Mark R here with one box of 11-12 Exquisite Basketball. This is the last box in the case. Last box I have in the shop. Good luck, buddy. Let's combo him with another guy. I like it. Thanks, Chris. I'd like to see a nice little duel. I'd like to see a little booklet autograph action. Alright, James, call it. What's coming out?
Jordan Shadowbox.
Calling Jordan Shadowbox. Okay. There is a Shadowbox in here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Alright, we'll start off with Adrian Dantley. Number 28 of 99. Rookie autograph, the Dookie. 166 of 199, Nolan Smith. Alright, we got a coach's autograph here. Coach's blackboard, Rick Majerus. 30 of 40. And we've got from the Naval Academy, legacy autograph, David Robinson. That one is 15 of 15. Then we have a shadow box. Oh, guys, we're going to go Jordanless. Shadow box autograph of Larry Bird. Doubled up the Bird in this case. And the last card, Championship Bling, Darrell Griffith. That one is 42 of 99. Alright, so I'll tell you what, guys, since we had 3 different people purchase boxes, there was no Jordan in that case. I'm pretty sure they guaranteed a Jordan per case. I will contact Upper Deck and see if maybe they can hook us up and send something to us, since all these videos are recorded and up on YouTube. So I will definitely put you guys' names down and I will let you know what happens with that. But Mark, Ian, appreciate it, buddy, and I will get all this out to you ASAP.